Hello everyone, today we are going to see about accounting for management. In this, the first chapter is Introduction to Financial and Management Accounting. What is financial accounting? It is a language for business. Accounting is used as the language of business. It involves the procedure of recording the financial transactions in the book of accounts, which are helpful to its users for analyzing and interpreting the financial soundness of business. The process of financial accounting involves the presentation as well as the interpretation of the financial results of a company's conduct with a view to make an assessment of its financial performance. Financial accounting provides the requisite information necessary for taking investment decisions. As per American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is defined as the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results. It is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. It has some features. The first one is monetary transactions. In the financial accounting, only those business transactions which can be expressed in monetary terms are taken into account. Transactions of paramount importance from business point of view which cannot be expressed in monetary terms are out of the purview of the financial accounting. Historical nature. Here, the transactions which are likely to take place in future cannot be captured and recorded under the system of financial accounting. Thus, only those transactions which have already taken place in past, that is historical in nature, are taken into account under financial accounting. Legal requirement in financial accounting is a statutory requirement for a company. It is mandatory to have a proper record of all the monetary transactions taken place during the course of its business and prepare financial statements like profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. We will see that in the upcoming sessions. These financial transactions or financial statements are subject to audit also if the level of company business is beyond a prescribed threshold limit. Disclosure of financial status. The financial statements of a company reveal its performance during a particular period, that is profit and loss account, and financial status or health balance, that is balance sheet, as on a particular date, that is disclosure of financial status. Financial accounting process is nothing but it has various steps involved in the process of financial accounting. It varies according to the accounting policies adopted by various companies. Such accounting policies generally pertain to valuation of inventories and calculation of depreciation on assets.